Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to approach using Docker with DaVinci Resolve. We'll explore the concept of containerizing a complex application like Resolve. Docker provides isolated environments, which can be beneficial for managing dependencies and ensuring consistent setups. However, integrating a demanding video editor like DaVinci Resolve, which heavily relies on hardware acceleration, into a containerized workflow introduces several specific technical challenges that we need to understand. A primary hurdle when using Docker with DaVinci Resolve is managing GPU acceleration. Resolve demands significant graphics processing power for smooth editing and rendering. Standard Docker containers do not inherently provide direct access to your host machine's dedicated graphics card. To enable this, you'll need to implement advanced GPU pass-through techniques, often involving tools like the NVIDIA Container Toolkit, to ensure proper CUDA or OpenCL support within your containerized environment. This is a complex step. Beyond GPU access, integrating DaVinci Resolve within Docker requires careful handling of the display server. Graphical applications need to connect to your host's display, often through X11 forwarding or WLAN socket sharing, which adds layers of complexity. Furthermore, ensuring proper mapping for essential input and output devices, such as audio interfaces and control surfaces, is crucial. Be aware that the overhead of containerization might also introduce slight performance impacts. While technically possible, running DaVinci Resolve within a Docker container is generally not recommended for typical daily production workflows. The significant setup complexity, especially concerning GPU and display integration, often outweighs the potential benefits for most users. For scenarios requiring strong isolation or specific environments, a full virtual machine might offer a more robust and performant solution. Docker truly excels for command line tools, development environments, or microservices, rather than demanding graphical applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.